Welcome to Greenwich Hill, a hidden gem in Woodbridge where comfort, convenience, and community come together in the perfect package. Nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac, this spacious brick townhome offers 3 finished levels, over 2,100 square feet of living space, and a flexible floor plan ideal for modern living. Step through the front door and into a warm, open main level featuring gleaming hardwood floors, a generously sized living room, a formal dining area, and a large half bath. The kitchen is well appointed with stainless steel appliances, gas cooking, and plenty of storage for all your culinary adventures. Upstairs, you'll find 3 bright bedrooms and 2 full baths, including a primary suite with a private ensuite bathroom. Head downstairs to the fully finished walkout basement, where you'll find 2 additional rooms, one with a window and closet that can be used as a 5th bedroom, a 3rd full bathroom, a laundry area, washer and dryer to be installed, and a cozy rec room that's perfect for movie nights, a home gym, or guest space. The private fenced-in backyard is low maintenance and backs to tranquil woods with a creek view, complete with a storage shed and just enough green space for relaxing or grilling. Bonus features you'll love: assigned parking plus 1 guest pass, washer and dryer, to be installed central HVAC, access to HOA amenities, community pool, basketball court, playgrounds, walking trails, trash and snow removal. Minutes to I-95, VRE, commuter lots, Stonebridge at Potomac Town Center, historic Occoquan, Wegmans, Potomac Mills, and Leesylvania State Park. Commuter friendly and community centered, this home offers the best of suburban living with unbeatable access to DC, Fort Belvoir, and Quantico. Don't miss the chance to make this your next home. Schedule your showing today. Close to Occoquan Elementary, future home of PWCS's first net zero school. Minutes to, historic Occoquan, Stonebridge at Potomac Town Center, Wegmans, Potomac Mills, Leesylvania State Park, and top dining/shopping options. Easy access to DC, Fort Belvoir, and Quantico.